Hi everyone, can you remember the most intensive wind you've ever experienced? Now forget it and watch the video further. Stay tuned and we are teleporting to the state of Iowa. As it often happens, extremely hot weather usually changes to some abnormal disaster. And what happened in Iowa is just one more proof of the mentioned before. So heat and humid air all together sound frightening. Even locals of the state were shocked with the consequences of the storm. The speed of the storm was from 60 to 100 miles per hour. Most Iowans were without power. Moreover, fields were leveled, so corn and soybean were damaged as a result of the intense wind. Can you imagine the whole system that produces 34 tornadoes? It's really hard to believe and definitely not wanted to feel. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button and leave your comments into a comment section below. Take care of yourself, whatever apocalypse is happening around.